Hello YouTube, this is Otar here from New York City. Today we are offering something really unique and interesting. Um, we have decided to learn a little bit of coding, and we started with Python. We thought there's a lot of huge community for the Python and Raspberry Pi. That will be very helpful for my learning adventure. So we used the time that was freed up because of COVID-19, and we tried to put it to use. Uh, so no further ado, let me start with the project. So this is my truck, my 2018 F150, and this is the cap that I put on a car on my truck recently. So nothing special, but if you start looking at the top, I have 4 solar panels here, flexible solar panels, 50 watt each, so 200 watt solar panels. We also have something unique. You might ask, why do we need a solar panel? So if you see here, that's a monitor of my old laptop that I removed, and I attached it to Raspberry Pi. We are powering up the unit. We also bought on Alibaba. We bought this 3D hologram fan that is about to start now. So as you see, the hologram works. And now we go back to my Raspberry Pi. It's still loading. Raspberry Pi is loaded, and it's gonna kick into. Come on, it's gonna kick into my kiosk mode. Kiosk is still loading because it's a Wi-Fi unit. We also use the QR code. If you scan the QR code, it's gonna pop get my schedule up, and everything, like I said, is powered by the solar panels. Inside we have these my old car battery. It's been sitting in a garage for maybe a year. It's not brand new, but it does the job. We also have here a solar charge controller, and this little device here is that allows me to manage it remotely via these switches. We also have these this Verizon portable Wi-Fi Bluetooth to make the kiosk work. Now the kiosk is the brain of the kiosk is made from Raspberry Pi Model 4B, 4 GB model. It is powered from the step-down power controller. It shows 5.12 volts, and you see how much the power consumption is, 0.8 watts. We have another step-down power controller, which also powers up this. This is for the monitor. That's a monitor control board. Installed some heat sinks and those switches for the monitor. And this is not the end of the project. We will continue making this Raspberry Pi powered truck smarter. It will have some speakers, some proximity sensor, peer sensor, passive infrared sensor, and a small camera to protect truck from vandals. If just in case somebody tries to hit it, it's gonna take some photos and make some sound. Also, this will be able to interact with the customers. Let's say it will be featuring my voice as well, telling my clients to how good we are, and videos show my projects throughout the country. This particular project here is done in Rhode Island. Now back to hologram. That hologram is also powered by Brainy's Raspberry Pi. And now the problem here is that I didn't realize that the cameras here work on a 50 hertz frequency, and that the fan works on 30 revolutions per second. So that's why we have these lines that you see, but it's trust me, it's not visible for human eye. So this is for the project. This is for the project, and please like us and subscribe to see. I'm gonna be putting up there a detailed video how to make this Raspberry Pi project step by step, with videos, with guides, with text and all that. But for now, we gotta say that this is what time is allowing us to do at the moment.